Today on Better Totes and Gardens, we're doing a bit of everything, but the number one thing we're doing is anyway, we are in here in the green room. We're going to do some painting. Getting different angles and stuff. People think we're getting too fancy. We're going to do some painting, but we're doing some test painting because we've got a bit of a theme that we're going to run with upstairs, and because upstairs is a while from getting done, we want to check that it works. It's not this green we're using.
Just can't really see the green.
No, you went with we were going to go the heritage green, but then we saw the Punters Club had redone theirs in that, so we're like, damn it. So Leanne's went for a compromise colour. I call it 1990 Coolman Rovers Football Club green.
It's spinach green.
It's spinach green, and it was halfway between one that we had a vote, and the office went with, it was plasticine green. Mm-hmm. Everyone went that green, and then there was one dissenting vote who wanted the heritage green, because we're still in Punters Club, you know, or not Punters Club, but
no, we like Punters Club, but we don't want copycats.
Fuck it, we didn't want to do it because the inspiration for this actually came from some original paint downstairs that was still there, which in the late 80s, early 90s, every pub was painted like that. So we're still thinking maybe we'll still do it, but we ended up, Leanne made a last minute call today, and you went with the in-between. It's in between the green we were going to use and the... It's
actually 98% of colour that I chose.
Well,
98% closeness.
Yeah, but you went in between the heritage and the plasticine, and it was spinach. So anyway, and we're going with the hog bristle for the top, because the basic thing is to go up to where a bump can get ran into and people's feet and shit will be darker green, and then above it'll be hog bristle. But the theme is for upstairs is this colour. We're going for a green upstairs. So we're going to actually start in the staff toilet.
Good practice space.
It's good practice space, just so we can see what it's like in different light, and because, you know, it can look good in the day and then it can just look dark at night. It'll be perfect. So that's kind of it. That's what we're doing. Doing some painting. I think Jacob's in there now filling in some holes. We're not filling in all the holes, but a few of the bad ones. And then we're going to paint, but right now we're going to go work out what colour. Should have done a pinstriping thing.
We know what colour. What are you talking about?
No, what parts to paint what colour.
The bottom green.
Yeah, well, we'll come down and I'll show you where the inspiration came from. This is what I was talking about. This is where we're inspired to do it. So that's what we're doing. But it's going to run from here up on an angle. So the green there, obviously, to here. And then Johnny Bad Love, hi Johnny Bad Love, is going to put this thing in for me and Pip that we can use to hide some stuff, some electrical work that we're going to do. And then it's going to run back across, up here, to here, and then that'll go like that, and it'll be the same here. It'll go up, and then we'll transfer it into here. In here, it'll be different, don't worry about it in here, but it'll put it right along here. To here, we'll leave that up here. And then, this bozo.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Back filler.
How's it going?
Yeah, good mate. Yourself?
Killing it.
Me or you?
Both of us.
Oh, see.
Can I have a look?
Yeah.
Great job.
Thank you.
That is dramatic, but I reckon it looks good. I know no one likes this green, but
I don't mind it. Like, it's still in the first coat as well.
yeah, it's gonna look great. Funny.
He's right.
I reckon it looks great. You don't like the colour, do you, Shane?
I don't mind it. I just.
You know what he's going to say?
It's better.
He's going to say, Leanne, go get the head off.
Get the better.
Someone ain't wrong, though.
Oh, it's gone for the wine, doesn't it?
Great, now you can see
Sure,
through.
I'll put a K in there though. So it's the proper yak I've like in my phone.
Is that what I am in your phone?
Yeah. It keeps going up. This is what it should be with a new
Oh, with my
the picture and
photo,
your
yeah.
photo. And all
How funny is that photo?
It's a good photo. Know what that means?
He's dropping bombs, bro.
Yeah, right.
What are you doing there, man?
Oh.
How'd you manage that?
Oh.
Shane's had a bit of an accident.
What happened, Shane?
What's that, Leanne?
What happened?
I won the lottery.
Are you okay?
So what camera must be on with all that fake concern?
I'm actually I'm concerned for you. Is everything okay? Can I help you?
I thought it was bad that I stuck my finger in the wet paint and then you've gone and tipped it all over yourself. Jesus.
Let me see.
Thought you hated hippies, mate.
Oh, Shane. Bro, you made it worse.
Hey, bro. What's going on, man?
Putting more paint on myself than I am the wall.
I thought you were a paint, mate.
Spray paint, give me a gun, mate.
Wait, what's that?
Don't know if I'm talking about that.
No. 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 Stop. Stop. Please stop. No.
My foot slipped.
Evil.
Yeah.
This is how I live at home. I'm sure you know, Gaz, don't you?
What, you kicking Shane?
No. That's not it.
Nah, you better tell him why you're not doing it.
Oh, it's still fucking wet.
Properly.
Huh?
Properly. Tell him properly.
Oh, well, it's walls are still a bit tacky. So if
You're a
I
bit
keep rolling, it just doesn't stop putting anything on. So
What did you say?
I said,
yeah, just he's got shit again.
I said,
I look sweaty.
Yeah.
It's sweaty. It's so humid in here. I'll finish it off tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Wednesday.
oh my God, Gaz.
No. You go in here so you can get him in
Oh
shot.
my God.
Then get him in shot, then you can walk in and you can look at his presents.
Oh, what's my presents? Just like a big turn in the toilet bowl there. Ah, you got exactly what I needed. A touch-up brush and a pinstripe brush.
Yeah. Definitely need that touch-up brush. Look at that. What a fucking job.
Oh, you?
Jesus Christ, Shane. You literally worked all day doing that and you say that to him.
To be fair, I did it in the most stupid way. I did like, rather than starting at the top and going down, I just started cutting in and then it was like, oh, fuck. I should have done the roof and the walls and yeah. It's alright.
45-minute job.
45-minute job.
Did you f up Jacob?
No.
Jacob, again.
See, 2 minutes ago off camera he said, oh, you did a good job, and now he's
Right.
This looks so pretty, Jacob. Got the glass
do
in.
you know what it makes me feel like? I feel like cricket club rooms.
You're a f***ing cricket club.
It looks good.
You did a really good job.
Thank you. We just need to get a new toilet brush, long house, and a bin in here would be nice as well.
I agree.
Yeah.
Right, so here's the toilet.
Are you gonna test it out, are you?
Hey,
Alright.
best for
Can we leave the camera with you?
like, comment, and subscribe. I'll so do toilet seat too.
Yeah, I put a new toilet seat on. The other one had like
It was broken.
plastic film thing that's at the top. We'll like film that. So.
Very good.
Alright, I'll try it out.
Everyone like, comment, and subscribe. I'll
Don't break it.
Leave the door open, Shane.
Oh,
No,
really?
don't. Please don't.
No, do you want me to just... Very nice.
Is it raining?
That's raining.
Does that look like rain to you, Jacob?
Smell it.
Oh, look at that. Get wet. Should put one there.
So,
In the top. You would have...
Cooked it.
Doesn't matter.
so it's just like a mist in the toilet while you shit.
Yeah.
All right, great work.
Has been better, Totes and Gardens. Jack off. Toilet painter. Oh, we won't take short there, but you did the job.
We gotta finish up. I'll put it.
Yeah, we'll think about it. We'll think about it.
Think of it. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought a shovel was nice.
Anyway, that's been better Totes and Gardens. That's staff toilet.
Yeah.
That's the, we'll probably do more in here at some point, but that's the colour scheme. We're going to look there. Get a good. Yeah, you do the right colour.
I hope everyone likes my choice of
We might
colours.
come back and we might do something there. Ooh, that's a lot of rain.
Oh, the rain's touching me.
I didn't do that, by the way. That's Shane. Shane wrote that. That's not my handwriting.
But yeah, we might do something with this. Oh,
I don't want to be in here. I'm getting rained on. I don't want this. Yeah, very pretty.
Both sides of gardens.
Great.
Trinity.
Jacob's going to sign out with some dancing.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
No, I'm not.
Wow.
Why?
Well, I'm not a dancer.
You want to dance off camera? You just did a dance downstairs.
I was just doing this. Yeah,
Leanne really quick walk for us to finish it, so.